Robotics and autonomous systems refer to the development and use of robots and other physical systems that are capable of functioning autonomously, without direct human control. This includes a wide range of technologies, from simple robots that perform repetitive tasks to complex systems like self-driving cars and drones. The field of robotics and autonomous systems has seen significant growth and development in recent years, with advancements in areas such as machine learning, computer vision, and sensors enabling robots to perform more advanced tasks and operate in more challenging environments. Some of the key applications of robotics and autonomous systems include manufacturing, transportation, agriculture, and healthcare, among others. As the technology continues to evolve, it is expected that robotics and autonomous systems will play an increasingly important role in various industries and domains, helping to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance overall quality of life. However, as with any new technology, there are also a number of ethical and social implications that need to be considered and addressed, such as job displacement and privacy concerns.